Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a soft and delicious ghee fruits cake. A no oil cake with rich aroma, colorful tutti frutti and a beautiful buttery texture from pure ghee. Perfect for tea time or special occasion. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, sieve 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoon custard powder, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve the mixture. Mix well and keep aside. Now in another bowl add half cup curd, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. Mix well until smooth. Add 1/4 cup ghee and mix again. Now add the dry flour mixture gradually. Pour half cup milk and mix gently to make a smooth batter. Add 2 to 3 drops yellow food color. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons tutti frutti with 1 teaspoon flour. This helps prevent the fruits from sinking. Now add the tutti frutti into the batter and mix gently. Pour the batter into a prepared mold. And spread more tutti frutti on top. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool completely before slicing. Ghee gives cake a rich traditional flavor. Tutti frutti adds color and sweetness. Custard powder helps create a soft texture. No oil cakes can still be soft and moist. Do not overmix the batter. Always cook on low heat for even baking. Let the cake cool before cutting. Ghee provides richness and energy. Homemade cakes are fresher and preservative-free. Milk and curd add nutrition and softness. You can control sweetness according to your preference. Your soft and colorful ghee fruits cake is ready. Serve with tea or enjoy as a sweet snack. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.